What's going on, YouTube? This your boy Scoop. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be talking about the Harman Kardon sound system that I have in my car. I'm going to let you guys know, do I think it's worth the bang for the buck? One of my subs hit me up on YouTube, asked could I do a video, or should he get the Harman Kardon sound system put in his car. So that's what I'm gonna do for y'all today. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that sub button for me, and let's jump into the video. But as you guys know, the Harman Kardon sound system, that's one of Dodge's top systems in their cars. It comes with 19 speakers, but I can't even find all 19 speakers. I don't think it's 19 speakers in here, but it says it comes with 19 speakers. You got one right here in the doorway. You got 3 in the dash over here. You got one back here in the back side, in the back door. Like I said, I don't think it's 19 in here, but that's what it says on the paper, 19 speakers. I know for sure you got maybe 2 back here. And you got one over here in this other doorway. And it's set with the Harman Kardon sound system. It comes with a sub too, but they don't actually put the sub somewhere where you can see it. I think the sub is hidden somewhere, also with the amp. If I had to take a guess, this thing right here, it's shaped. It's really like got a round shape for a sub, so I think that might be the sub right here. But I'm not for sure though. If you guys know, just let me know down below in the comments. The only other place I think it could be, my bad, y'all, I got a lot of crap back here. Oh, let me move this out the way. It could be up under here, I'm not sure. I doubt it though. That's where the fisher flat go right there. But I don't know where they put it. If I had to take a guess, I think this will be it. Like I said, it's 19 speakers in here, but I don't know where all 19 at. I doubt it was 19 speakers in here. There's one right here. And you got another one right here in this doorway. So that's not 19. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 so far. You got 6, 7, 8, 9 with the sub, and 10 in the other doorway. So I only counted 10 speakers. So on the paper, like I said, on the paper it says it's 19 speakers, but we only found 10, as you guys can see. But I think the Harman Kardon sound system is, man, it's hella good. That's one of my favorite things I like about my car. It's the system. I have a Durango at the house. It comes with the beat audios, and I think the Harman Kardon sound system sounds way better than the Beats. I wish I can give you guys a sample, but it's no way I can do that without getting copyrighted. So I don't want to take that chance. But I think the price for the Harman Kardon was I want to say $1,500. And there was an add-on option that I got with my car. So the Harman Kardon sound system doesn't come standard in all Dodge cars. I think if you get like a Hellcat, it may come standard. I'm not sure, but for like the Scatpack models, it doesn't come standard. There was something I had to add on to my car. Close the door. But as you can see, I got the media, so you can do your Bluetooth, or you can hook up your USB cable. I got my USB cable hooked up, so I can get a charge at the same time. But what I have noticed to get the best quality sound out of the Harman Kardon sound system is you got to make sure you use it through the USB cable. For some reason, if you do it through Bluetooth, it's kind of loud, but if you do it through the USB cable, it gets louder. I don't know why it is. I think maybe because the music is transferred directly from this thing in here. You got your 2 USB slots where you know you could hook your music up, and you got your auxiliary cord. But like I said, the Harman Kardon sound system is my favorite thing that I like about my car, besides the red seats. There you got your CarPlay. Right now I'm using Tidal. That's what music source I'm using right now. And you can go into let me see. Go into your audio. You got your balance fade, your equalizer, your speed adjust value. I never used the speed adjust value. I don't know why they even put that in the car, put that inside cars. And you got your surround sound. Then for those of you who don't know, the Harman Kardon does come with the surround sound. You can turn it on or you can turn it off. I always have mine on. It makes the sound, you know, come from all angles of the car. But I think they use these up here for the surround sound. I'm not sure, but I think that's where it come from. Like I said, I wish I can give you guys a sound bite, but you know, ain't no way I can do that, you know, without getting copyrighted. I'm gonna see, can I find a way though? Give me just a second. And with your equalizer, you can let me go back. With your equalizer, you can adjust your bass, and the bass is in here, guys. I'm telling you, it's banging. I usually keep it on 3 because it gets really loud and it could drain out the exhaust, and I like to hear my exhaust when I'm driving, so I keep it on 3. And you got your mid and you got your tremble, and I like my tremble all the way up, so it makes the music clear to me. But you know, you guys can set it the way you wanted to set it. You know, everybody got a different music preference when it comes to listening to music. Like I said, guys, I'm gonna try to get y'all a sample, but I don't know if this copyrighted or not. All right, guys, so that's all the music I'm gonna sample right now. Like I said, you know, I don't know if that was, you know, copyrighted or not. But if you guys are still watching this video, that means my video is still up and they haven't took it down. But you know, I had to do it for y'all, you know, give y'all a sample, you know, what the Harman Kardon sound system sound like. But if, like I said, for me, I love the Harman Kardon sound system. It's one of my favorite features in the car. I wouldn't put any aftermarket in here. It doesn't need all that. I think what I paid for, I think I got my money's worth. So yeah, I think that's it, y'all. The Harman Kardon sound system, if you think about putting it in your car, I think you should go ahead and do it. I think you'll really love it if you're a music person. If you're not a music person, then you don't need it at all. If you love your music, then I would highly recommend that you get the Harman Kardon sound system added to your Scatpack charger. But it's your boy Scoop. That's all I got for today. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the sub button for me, and I'll holler at you guys on the next video. Peace.